Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we're going to discuss our second question. What is that here is, so they're asking us find three more terms in a geometric progression. So what is meant by geometric progression? So here, geometric progression, we should know what is the first term and what is the common ratio. So here first term we are going to denote it with A and common ratio we are going to take it as R. And what are the terms in geometric progression? What is the sequence here is? So in geometric progressions, first term, so GP will be AR square, AR power 3 and so on, AR power n minus 1. So these are the things and terms. So this is a series. So here first one is, so let's going to take first one, calculate A is equals to 4 and R is equals to 3. So A is a, what you can say, A is the first term. So first term. Then what is the R here? So R will be equal to common ratio. Common ratio. So common ratio will be, you can take it as division of A2 minus A2 by A1, not like common difference. So A3 by A2, A4 by A3, A5 by A4. This is the sequence. So these are the terms. We have to find first term we know. The remaining three more terms we have to find it. They are already given ratio. So what is the first term? A1 will be equal to A, that is equals to 4. Then A2 will be equal to second term, that is A into R. A will be equal to what? 4 into R will be 3, 12. Then A3 will be equal to AR square. So AR square, or you can calculate it with 12 into R. So you can calculate like that also. So AR square, that is 4 into R square is 3 square, 4 into 9. Or you can calculate this one A2 into R. A3 you can calculate A2 into R. So 12 into A2, 3, 36. So this is the another method. This is another way. Then what is A4? So 2, 3, 4. Three more terms we are calculating. A4 is A3 into R. A3 will be equal to, what is that? 36 into R will be 3. So A3 36 into 18, 1, 3 3 is a 9, 108. So this is the case here. So what is the 108? So what are the terms here? Therefore the series will be 4, 12, 36, 108 and so on. So this is the series for the first one. Then what is our second one? So let's going to calculate second one. They are given that A will be equal to, what is that? A will be equal to square root of 5. Then R will be equal to 1 by 5. So what is the first term? We know that is A1 will be equal to, A will be equal to square root of 5. Then A2 will be equal to, what is the value? A2 will be A1 into R. A1 into R, that is AR root 5 into 1 by 5, that is root 5 by 5. Root 5 by 5. Can you do anything here? So we cannot do anything. Let's keep it as it is. Then A3 will be equal to A2 into R, that is A2 will be square root of 5 by 5 into R will be equal to 5. So what is the value here? So square root of 5 by 5 5 is 25. Can you do anything here? So 1 by root 5 we will get it anyway. So here square root of, so you can take 25 as 5 square. Let's keep it as it is. Then A4 will be equal to A3 into R. So A3 will be equal to, what is this? Square root of 5 by 25 into 1 by 5, that is square root of 5 by 5 5 is 25, 2 5 2 is 10, 12, 125. So can you do anything here for this? So 25 5 square you can write. Then 5 square, square root of 5 5. So this is 125. Let's going to write the terms. So first one root 5, therefore root 5. Then what is the next one? Root 5 by 5. Then root 5 by 25. Then root 5 by 125. So these are the, and so on we will get it as. So this is the way to find the calculation. Then what is our third one? So let's going to write third one is A will be equal to 81. Then R will be equal to minus 1 by 3. So A is equals to 81, then R will be equal to minus 1 by 3. So what is the first term? So we know that is first term will be equal to A, that is 81. Then what is second term? A1 into R. So A1 is 81 minus 1 by 3. So 3 1s are 3 2s are 6 2. So minus 27. So A2 will be equal to minus 27. Then what is the next one? So A3. A2 into R, A2 will be equal to minus 27 into R will be equal to minus 1 by 3. So minus minus will go into plus. So here 1 by 3, 3 1s are 3, 9s are, so 9. Then A4 will be equal to A3 into R, A3 will be equal to 9, R will be equal to minus 1 by 3. So 3 1s are, 3 3s are, so minus 3. So what is the sequence here? 81 minus 27, then 9, then minus 3, and so on. We will get it as, so series will be going to calculate. Then what is the fourth one? Last one in this question. Fourth one will be equal to A is equals to 1 by 64, then R is equals to 2. So what is the first term? 1 by 64. A1 will be equal to A will be equal to 1 by 64. Then A2 will be equal to A1R. So 1 by 64 into 2, 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are, that is 1 by 32. Then A3 will be equal to A2 into R. A2 will be equal to 1 by 32 into R will be 2 1s are, 2 16s are, so 1 by 16. Then what is A4? That is A3 into R. A3 will be equal to 1 by 16. R will 2 1s are, 2 8s are. So that is 1 by 8. So what is the series? 1 by 64, comma 1 by 32, comma 1 by 16, comma 1 by 8, and so on. So this is the way to find the calculation. So actually the geometric progression we are going to denote it with A into R, A into R square, A into R power R cube, then R power 4, R power 5, like that. But here basic idea is we need to multiply the constant term R with the previous term. So this is the way to find the calculations. If you like the video, please like it, try to share with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.